Hi, I'm Jeffrey. I'm here to show you how to search for and release quarantine emails. Let's get started. Sign into your GoDaddy email and Office dashboard and select Add-Ons. Under Advanced Email Security, select Manage, and then sign into Advanced Email Security. Once you've signed in, select Log Search. If you're an admin, select Specific User, and then select the email address that has quarantine messages. Under Type, select if the email was outbound or inbound. Under Status, select Quarantine, and then choose the date range for when the email was sent or received. Next to the quarantine message, under Actions, select the eye icon or Message Preview. From here you can do the following: release the message from quarantine to be delivered to the mailbox, release and report the message that was improperly filtered as spam. This will only apply to this specific message. And you can delete a message so that it will not appear in the log search. Confirm your selection and then select Close. It could take up to 24 hours for a quarantine email to reach your inbox. If it doesn't work, give it another 5 minutes before you try again. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and released a quarantine email using Advanced Email Security. I'm Jeffrey. Thanks for watching.